Today we're gonna be doing an updated summer nighttime skincare routine. My forehead is super big. I am completely clean, and as you can tell, I'm getting bit everywhere. I have like 2 mosquito bites on my arm right now and it got super swollen. I don't know if it's infected or not. I hope it's not. It was getting really painful. It's getting better now. It calmed down a lot, so I'm glad about that. And then I also have a bug bite on my forehead as well. I'm just gonna be doing an updated skincare routine for the summertime. My skin is a little more on the oily side. I'm sweating and I'm always just outside all the time. So first off, I always start off with double cleansing. So today I'm gonna be doing my oil cleanser, the herb green cleansing oil that I've been using for a while. So I always use SPF and sunscreen during the day, and I want to just get all that off. Usually I like to do my cleansing before I shower so that it's not all messy. The shower head could be rough on your skin and cause wrinkles and stuff, but personally I think it's fine for my skin. Easier for me to get everything clean. Follow up with a water-based cleanser, the Anua Heart Leaf Cleanser. I'm like squeezing the heck out of this. Foam it up and then just go in. It really gets into my pores, and my bug bite is so annoying because throughout the day I would forget it's there and then it suddenly gets so itchy, and I am breaking out a bit around my T-zone. I think I'm starting to get my period soon. I am completely squeaky clean. We're gonna continue on with the skincare. So after my skin is cleansed and dry, I'm gonna go in with a toner. I use this Round Lab toner. I have a big bottle of and a bunch of refills, but I really like it because it's super simple and keeps my skin hydrated and plump. I like to go in with at least 2 or 3 layers of this just so that my skin is super hydrated. So after my toner is all soaked in and dried down a bit onto my skin, I'm just gonna be doing a face mask today. I know earlier I said my skin has been feeling more oily due to like the weather changes, but also around my nose area, I'm actually a bit dry there. Oily skin can also be severely dehydrated skin, and that's due to your skin overproducing its oils to compensate for its dry skin. If you have oily skin, remember to always moisturize and keep yourself hydrated so you can balance that out. So I'm gonna be using this Mediheal Hyaluronic face mask, and I got a bunch of these from Korea, so I'm gonna be using it up. I like to just put a hydrating toner on top of my face, prep my skin for the face mask. I also like putting my face mask in the refrigerator as well. When I use it during the summer, it's super cooling on my face. It's quite a refreshing little treat for your skin. A little inch of my forehead is not covered, but that's fine. As you can see, I got a pimple right here as well. I'm gonna try to make sure it's covered. I look like I'm from the Uncanny Valley right now. I'm gonna put the extra serum on my neck. Now I'm gonna start the timer for 20 minutes and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back and it's been a little over 20 minutes. I got a little bit carried away. Let's see for the grand reveal. And then for this, I like to leave it on my neck while I put the rest of the serum of the face mask on my face. I'll try my best for it to stick on here. Put it on your lips too. Just put it everywhere. Oops, because it comes with a lot in here. My skin feels really, really moisturized. My skin feels really smooth, super hydrated. It feels amazing. Usually during the summertime, I like to gravitate towards gel and super lightweight moisturizer, Beauty of Joseon Red Bean Water Gel. I stopped using it during the winter time because it didn't give me enough moisture and hydration. Now that it's summer, it's a very good option to use because it's super lightweight and it feels really nice on my skin. Another thing I like to use, of course, 345 Relief Cream by Dr. Althea. All-in-one product. I love it a lot. It helps repair my skin. It helps relieve my skin when it's feeling really dry, really inflamed, and super red as well. So this is just a perfect moisturizer. Since I'm almost out of this, I'm just gonna be using my Beauty of Joseon one. And it's a cute little pink color. Use a little bit, put it all over my skin. And my skin always feels like a baby's bottom after using a super hydrating face mask. Sometimes I forget to put skincare on my lips as well. I just skip over it for some reason. At the end, I just apply Vaseline, but I realized you should always just put skincare over your lips because it's also part of your face. Then I'm gonna go in with Vaseline, of course, because it is a staple for the lips. So I picked the side of my nose right here because I saw a blackhead and I had to get it. Guess what? Nothing came out. Now I have to deal with this little scab to quicken up that process. I like using my Hero Rescue Balm. This is just a recovery cream after your blemish has popped already or you picked your skin and you need to repair it quickly. It helps hydrate, moisturize your skin very quickly, and also helps create a scab over that spot as well. The only thing with this balm is that sometimes it separates, so it gets liquidy, so you need to shake it a bit and then you'll be able to use it after. It looked like this. Different types of rescue balm balm. So this is just the post blemish recovery balm. I think this is the main one that they have, and then they have a green one that helps with redness. I like to be super generous with the cream at night because it's nighttime and no one's gonna see me. Now my skin is super hydrated and ready to go to sleep. I feel like a little glazed donut right now. That is the end of my nighttime summer skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know what is your holy grail summer skincare product, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So